We are here with two brilliant youngsters who are part of a team that started a platform called Campus Diaries. And we have Sumit and Sonic to talk about Campus Diaries, and particularly in the context of bringing technology together and doing good. So Sumit, can you tell us what Campus Diaries is, first of all?
Campus Diaries is a creative platform for the youth community to come together to create, to express freely, and express as in self-express, which is the best kind of expression. And that's what Campus Diaries is. It brings people together from different disciplines, from different parts of the world to come together on a platform and create. That's what it is.
Sonic, you were telling me earlier that it's about storytelling. So what kind of storytelling happens on Campus Diaries?
Sure. So we have people coming in from various communities all across the country, as Sumit just said, and we have writers, photographers, painters, artists coming together to come and express themselves and creating stories around their experiences and the things that they've been through in whatever they're good at. So the writers write, the photographers click, the painters come in and paint and put up their content on top.
So can a platform like yours be used to do good? And if so, how?
It's already happening. So I think content always has a power to cause a difference or make impact. When we started the platform, we also wanted not just content to be like content, but we wanted it to fulfill a certain purpose. And in fact, I could give two instances right now in which content and people are coming together to create a lot of social impact. One of the projects that is running on the platform is called Rubaru Beyond Borders. It was started with a bunch of very talented youngsters from Pune and Mumbai. The idea was to create a conversation and collaboration platform for young people across India and Pakistan. And there are stories being told by young people in Pakistan and young people in India. They're connecting to each other. They're even talking of collaboration. So I think it's breaking a lot of barriers. It's great impact, but it's not in a very peace and friendship way. Again, it's very good hardcore creative collaboration. It's a way to understand contemporary culture. It's a way to decondition from all the mainstream media and all the conditioning that we've gone through about India and Pakistan.
Which was the other example?
The other example is a project that is again very exciting. Started 40 days back. It's a project called Braject, as in the combination of the word bra and project. It's again a content and awareness platform for bras as with respect to young girls and their mothers. Again, I'm probably not the right person to talk about it, but of late I have come to know that 85% of young girls in India are misinformed about the size, the wearing patterns, about buying patterns, and that causes a lot of health problems. That causes a lot of even psychological problems. Even otherwise, something as elementary as bras